Children, do you remember in the story how a fly took a dive in Sam's jam bottle and how his mother discouraged him from eating that jam? Do you know why? That is because flies are pests and they easily pick up and transmit diseases. So make sure that you keep your food covered at all times. And don't forget to wash your hands before you eat or drink anything. So there is a very simple method of washing your hands properly and effectively. Take a look at this image here. It has 8 steps that you have to follow while washing your hands. Step number 1, palm to palm. You need to wash your hands palm to palm. Step number 2, between fingers. Good. Step number 3, back of your hand. Back of your hand. Step number 4, base of your thumb. Base of your thumb. Step number 5, back of your fingers. All your fingers. Step number 6, don't forget the fingernails. Make sure you scrub all the fingernails. Step number 7, wrists. Yes, you have to wash your hands all the way up to the wrists. And finally, step number 8, rinse your hands under running water and pat them dry with a clean towel.